Okay, this is the back side, or the reverse side, the other side of the house. Absolutely fantastic with the amount of panels that the guys have got on the rear side of the roof, or the rear roof space to the house. Outstanding work by Mark at Powersonic and the guys Mark, Nathan, Matthew and Ollie at of Zinc Electrical. Absolutely fantastic work. I'm so pleased with how much or how many panels we've got on the back. Outstanding work. It really is amazing how many panels they managed to get up here. And also when the boiler chimney flue has gone, hopefully fairly soon, I can get back to, also I beg your pardon, they can come back to slot another one in for a bit more production. But look at that, fantastic with the bird guards. Absolutely brilliant work. And that is it. Cheers guys, and hope to see you soon with another update on the install and the production of my solar and battery system.